Ned, this is Jai, and today we're going to be talking about a common problem, the date hierarchy in Power BI. So, first, we're going to be covering why this happens. Then, we're going to be covering how to turn it off for a specific visual, a specific file, and so it never happens again. And with that, let's jump into the computer. So, here I am in a dashboard. And as you can see right here, I have a hierarchy popping up automatically for my date. This is happening because Power BI has a feature called Auto Time Intelligence. It allows you to group by year, quarter, month, day automatically in your reporting. And it does this by automatically creating what's called a date table in your Power BI model for every single date. These date tables are hidden so you can't see them, and they're pretty useful. However, they take up a ton of space in your data model, and it's typically best practice if you're going to use, that kind of grouping on a date to actually explicitly go through and set and define your own date table. That said, in this video, that's not something that we're going to be focusing on. Instead, we're going to be focusing on how to turn off those pesky hierarchies and disable the auto date time functionality in a visual, a file, and in Power BI itself when it creates new files. So that way you don't have to deal with them again. So here I've created just a simple table visual and I've dragged over my date hierarchy. And as you can see, it's automatically added in that hierarchy. And this is great, but I only want to display the date. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click the date and then I'm going to switch it from a date hierarchy to just the date. And as you can see, it started displaying my date. Now, this format is probably not great, and we can fix that by going right here and then changing it from a general date right here to a short date. So that's how to remove the date hierarchy at just a visual level. Now, let's just say that you absolutely hate these date hierarchies and you don't want to see them in this particular Power BI file at all. Well, you can edit that by essentially clicking this little gear here to go into settings, or by going into file, then options and settings, then options. And on the pop up where it says current file, clicking data load, and then unchecking this auto time intelligence checkbox. When you click OK, you will then have just the date and no more date hierarchy. Now, this solves this for just this Power BI file that I have open. But what if I don't want this happening at all, ever, for any new file that I create? Well, let's go back into our settings. So let's go back into options and settings, then options. And instead of going current file data load, let's go to global data load. And this time we're going to uncheck auto date time for new files and then click OK. Now we'll never get these hierarchies created in any Power BI file made on this computer again. So if you enjoyed this quick tip, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you want to learn more about Power BI and listen to me ramble from time to time, please consider subscribing.